Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make darker grid line in Excel. It's pretty simple and easy. For this you need to select the grid lines which you want to make darker and then go to the home and click on this small arrow in the font group. And in the format cell you need to click on this border tab and now select the bold line and select the color of your choice, for example a darker color blue, and now click on the outline, click inside and now click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. If you want to remove the thickness of the grid lines, for this you need to click on the border and select the no border. If you want to make darker grid line of the entire sheet, for this you need to select the Ctrl A, or either you can click on this small arrow on the left corner and now click on the home and click on this small arrow and click on the border, select the bold line, select the color of your choice, for example maroon, click on the outline, click inside, click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. And if you want to remove that, again click on the home, click on this border icon and select no border. So this is pretty straightforward. So you can make darker grid line Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.